Hello guys, welcome to Legends. Today we are back here with another brand new drone flight. So yeah, without further ado, we're gonna take off. So, start recording.
Take off. Home point updated.
So yeah, we're flying high. I'm with my friend over here. He's gonna fly his drone as well. So yeah, I'm gonna fly my drone first.
Bring it back?
No, I'm gonna take it to the max height. This is how far you take it. I'll take it this far. I'm gonna take a 360 photo after this. You're not wrong. After this, we're gonna do 360 photo.
Max altitude.
Alright, 360 photo. Let's start it. Yeah. Alright, so we're back in recording mode. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna explore the area. We're gonna go down here first.
Approach edge of
Okay,
authorization zone.
we're in an authorization zone, so we can't. So we're gonna bring it down. Yeah, I'm bringing it.
You're taking it that side.
See it?
Can you bring it down?
Yes. See it?
Right, bro.
Alright, let's fly this way, yeah? I'm gonna fly towards this way.
Hello.
Here.
Where you going?
We're going up. Alright, let's go this way.
Max altitude reached.
Where is it?
Down there, look. It's a small
Is it
dot.
your drone?
Yeah, that's my drone.
Where is it going?
I'm taking it far.
Down?
I usually do this. It's fine. Alright, so
Can you bring it back?
yeah, I'm gonna bring it back. I'm gonna bring it back after. Let's get footage of this area over here. Take your drone out as well. We're gonna record from your drone as well. So this is Westwood. This is Westwood Mall. Gonna get a closer shot of that as well. Can you put that lower? Alright, so let's bring it back here now. So I'm over here. We're gonna fly it this way now, the other way. Oh, we're in the authorization zone. We've got to come here. Okay, another authorization zone. I think when you get anywhere near this stadium, it won't let me go closer to that. So let's go south side. Okay, we're getting too close to the authorization zone. Let's explore this area. Look at that, insane. Nice shot. Really nice shot of the city of Stratford. Alright, let's start turning back now. Let's get an orbit shot of these buildings over here. We're close to the buildings. Let's get a shot of the train as well. We entered North Station. It's right here.
I can't see it. I can't see it.
All right, so it's over here. Look up.
Here. Where is it?
Right there.
Bring it down. Bring it down and then take it up.
All right, so I've got a drone over here. See it?
Bring it down.
Look, I've got it here. See that? Right, let's go over here. Right, so what else can we get shots of? Over here you can see the plane. You can see the control from it, which is crazy.
Don't break your plane.
Hey, I won't do that. So what else can we get a shot of? We can get an orbit shot of these buildings. Oh, the lights just turned on. Crazy. Nice.
Max altitude reached.
Okay, we're at the edge of the zone. All right, let's not go too far now. We don't wanna. The building's actually much higher than the building's actually a little bit higher than my max height. So yeah, there's a lot of authorization zones in this area. So I'm gonna think about where I fly. See, there's another authorization zone over here, so let's get an orbit shot. Let's get a sideways shot of this area of Westwood. That is a nice shot actually. I should get more shots like this in the future. That's the main part of Stratford, as you can see, the bus station. Alright, let's just turn back now. Let's get a shot of this area again. You know, let's get a reveal shot. I can't lie, this is a really good flight that I've got. Really nice shot of Westwood. Yeah, there's not much to record now. I've got decent shots. Yeah, we can't go much further than this. Alright, let's get a shot of this.
Now try my drone.
Yeah, we'll try after. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to land it and then I'm going to get footage from my friend's DJI Neo, and I'm going to include it in this footage as well.
I'm going up
Yeah, it's so easy to go up and down.
and down.
Don't go too down, don't go too down.
I'm doing like this. I'm having fun. There's people there.
See that, look.
Is it recording for both of us?
Yeah, it's recording for both of us, yeah. Be careful, don't go too down. You're going to hit
I know how to do it now. Go up. Take my as well.
Don't hit my drone, yeah?
That's it.
Yeah, look. See that?
Battery
Bring it down
low
now,
is
bring it
low.
down. Oh, we're going to hit.
Low battery warning.
Alright, I'm going to land mine now, yeah?
Right.
I'm going to force land it.
Critically low battery warning.
I know how to do it now.
Yeah. Alright, I'm done with my
Critically low
drone.
battery
Let's carry on with Ibrahim's drone.